We come to Berlin, we American presidents, because it's our duty to speak in this place of freedom. Behind me stands a wall that encircles the free sectors of this city, part of a vast system of barriers that divides the entire continent of Europe in a gash of barbed wire, concrete, dog runs, and guard towers. Yet, I do not come here to lament, for I find in Berlin a message of hope, even in the shadow of this wall. In 1945, the people of Berlin emerged from their air raid shelters to find devastation. Thousands of miles away, the people of the United States reached out to help. Secretary of State George Marshall announced the creation of what would become known as the Marshall Plan. He said, "Our policy is directed not against any country or doctrine, but against hunger, poverty, desperation, and chaos." Virtually every nation in Western Europe saw political and economic rebirth. From devastation, from utter ruin, you Berliners have in freedom rebuilt a city that once again ranks as one of the greatest on earth. And the Soviets may have had other plans. In the 1950s, Khrushchev predicted, "We will bury you." But in the West today, we see a free world that has achieved a level of prosperity and well-being unprecedented in all human history. And now, the Soviets themselves may, in a limited way, be coming to understand the importance of freedom. Some political prisoners have been released. Certain foreign news broadcasts are no longer being jammed. There is one sign the Soviets can make that would be unmistakable, that would advance dramatically the cause of freedom and peace. General Secretary Gorbachev, if you seek prosperity for the Soviet Union and Eastern Europe, tear down this wall.